Take number three. That's the third time I recorded that. That's part of my practice to speak in English to record the videos. I start with an idea, and from that I try to articulate some ideas with the starting trigger to be able to communicate a little better. Each time I try to communicate the same idea. For example, that's a technique to be good at talking, which is I'm not a, for example, I'm not a native speaker of English. I'm a foreigner, and I speak English as a second language. And to get better at this language, first thing I do is to read. That's something very important. Consume content, get input in the language to be able to communicate with the mannerisms of English, for example, to get how people actually talk as a native in that language or not, because there are many people who are not native in English but are able to speak and communicate very well in that language. And for me, what matters is try to articulate some idea with a starting trigger and try to explain that idea the best I can in one take. And that's my third take to try to do that. And to be able to get better at communication, first of all, you have to have a lot of input in the language to be able to have enough acquired knowledge to have pieces, something like material, like primordial material to work on in the that's the first thing. And the second thing is try to output and make a continuous process of constant communication with yourself. Try to make videos like this. Try to record the audios for yourself on Telegram, for example. And that's a start point. I have a Telegram group below this video, and I practice more that to get more people to our group to communicate and have this opportunity between people to communicate with another people who speak English as a second language or as a first language, whatever, because you have the opportunity to speak with people in English or in any language. And the English allow us, like myself, to communicate with all the world, which means that I don't only communicate with Americans or English people or Australians. Um, I communicate with people around the world which speak many other languages and speak English as a second language. That's the opportunity to start a new dialogue and get input from people. And from that, the opportunity to output as well. And they try to exchange ideas among people to bring more opportunities to communication. In that constant communication, that constant process of input and output in the language, which will allow you to get better over time on that. And that's my start point. I learned English from 5 years ago, but that's my start point to improve in a, let's say, in a faster rate. And my goal here is to create more opportunities with people to exchange ideas and practice more these skills of exchanging knowledge. Because what means to language, what the meaning of language is to create, build knowledge, and allow us to communicate with people. With this constant communication, we are able to build things in the world. It changed the world in the end. That's my start point here, and I hope this is a new opportunity to you to be able to communicate with me and with many other people who has the same goal. And link below this video to participate in your group and start communicating right now and get better on talking. And that's our goal with this project. I'll see you in the next video.